Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase your proposal success rate with Proposify, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by creating an account on the Proposify website. Once logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Next, navigate to the Templates section to explore pre-designed proposal templates. Select a template that best fits your industry and needs. Customize the chosen template by adding your branding elements. Incorporate relevant content that speaks directly to the prospective client. Utilize Proposify's content library for sections and phrases that resonate with your services. Make sure to include a compelling executive summary to grab attention. Add visual elements such as images or charts to enhance the proposal. Tailor the proposal to address the specific needs and challenges of your client. Set clear timelines and deliverables to establish expectations. Use Proposify's pricing tables to present your pricing clearly and effectively. Consider adding testimonials or case studies to build credibility. As you finalize the proposal, review it for clarity and professionalism. Once satisfied, send the proposal directly through Proposify for tracking. Utilize the tracking feature to monitor when your proposal is viewed. If you don't hear back within a few days, follow up politely. Be ready to discuss any questions or concerns your client may have. Finally, analyze the feedback and success rates for continuous improvement. By using Proposify effectively, you can significantly enhance your proposal success rate. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.